28.3 from him this season. Confident. Record of 20.25 set by Usain Bolt back in 2003.
Sent off, first time of asking. The Class 1 boys 200-meter final. Tenny Daly of St. Mary High is out quickly. Runs a strong turn, comes into the straightaway. Mirage pulls up. It's Woods of JC moving best of the lot. Here comes the SANJAY SEYMORE of William Knibb. Close going to the line. SEYMORE will get it just ahead of Woods. And Bottom of KC takes the bronze. SANJAY SEYMORE of William Knibb. He does the LeBron James pose. And SANJAY SEYMORE 21-1-4, and he's hyped.
I want to, I take it.
And he has joined the likes of Usain Bolt and Marvin Anderson, who have won this event in Class 1 at Boys and Girls Championships.
I want to just say, how great is Jason Peter? Jason Peter ran faster than that time. Go, coaches.
No, Tenny Daly, a fantastic turn he ran for St. Mary High School. But then SANJAY SEYMORE, with the technique that he has, Woods came off the turn leading. And as you watch a replay, Woods ran a very good turn. Also with Daly from St. Mary High, Woods was actually leading at some point. And then SANJAY SEYMORE, with his fine technique, great arm drive, staying composed, not straining too much, keeping his stride pattern, was able to take the win. Fantastic run.
Negative 4.2 win. So I'll give them that. That's a lot more negative win than Peter faced. But Jason Peter has come to champs and said, I'm going to run faster in the 200 and 400 than my counterpart.